guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have a different but very special shopping episode for today because it's more of like a calm shop with me kind of day. So you are going to join me for the entire day of fun. So I'm going to tour you guys to Greenbelt 3. This is one of our most fabulous mall here in the Philippines. So this house is Louis Vuitton's flagship store. They have Fendi, they have Dior, and all of that good stuff. So we are going on a day of shopping. I'm going to show you some eye candies and all of that. So hope guys you enjoy and please stay tuned until the end of the episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetar and Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me at instagram.com/amirafai2 for styling tips and daily updates coming from me. Hi guys, good morning. So just a quick OOTD before we leave the house. So of course, we're going to Greenbelt and check out all the luxury stores there. So I'm wearing an all black outfit. I'm trying to think if I'm still going to wear my denim jacket because it's a little bit warm right now. So I'm wearing my Stella McCartney shoes, my Christian Dior belts. I'm wearing my new YSL tassel earrings and my newest favorite CHANEL FullFlap Bag in beige clear. I'm so excited to be finally taking her out. So hopefully you enjoyed our shopping episode today guys. See ya! So just check how beautiful this new bag of mine is. Look at her guys, she's so pretty. So just check what I'm bringing in for today. So I still here, so she is a little bit packed. Well actually I could put a little bit more space, in something inside. So here I'm not putting anything in front, but as you could see on the main compartment I have my phone. Then I have my Chanel pouch here. So with my Chanel pouch, let me just stand her up. With my Chanel pouch here are my other accessories. So I have my face mask. I have here my YSL card holder that has my bills and credit cards, my lipstick, oil control film. So everything would be here. I would also be putting my keys inside so I would not be scratching my beautiful Chanel flap bag here. So as you're going to see, without that one, she looks like this. She has two compartments and a lipstick holder here and another free compartment over here. So she's actually quite spacious and definitely you could bring all the essentials that you need for your day-to-day activities. She's so gorgeous. She is now my newest favorite Chanel bag. Yay! Oh, the new Hermes. So guys, we have just arrived at Greenbelt 3. Let's check what they have new. Next snack. We're going to open Jimmy Choo. Hi guys, so we have just arrived at Greenbelt 3. So our first appointment for the day is we are going to go to Louis Vuitton. So hopefully I would be able to show you good items and selection and new bags of course. So hope you enjoy this episode today. Let's check the windows here. Super nice. we are going to Off-White, so we'll see if I could film inside. So hope you enjoy this episode. Smaller. Limited edition. May strap. This one. Hi guys, so we are going to check out beautiful bags from Fendi. So let's check out what they have. Wanna try? Hi guys, so we are going to check out Christian Dior. So I've seen on their window display they have lots of cute bags. So we'll see and check what they have inside. Hi guys, so it's end of day. We got a little bit tired, so we're here, Korean barbecue. Hope you had fun with our vlog episode today. Let's eat! Say hi! Hello! That was fun, right guys? Hope you enjoyed today's episode. And again guys, before we end, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video.